Thought I'd go for a walk, see if the owl might be out here. It's pretty here in the rain. All right. Down there is where I did some guitar videos. Looked prettier before. Walters Woods. Still walking in the rain. Well, sprinkle. Heard a gray tree frog way up high. I don't know what kind of tree this is. It's some kind of pine. But I sure like the way it looks. Look like they stacked it a little bit on that. I'll just walk over here. I love this green. May. Usually the second week of May is when it really pops. All right. Now the sun is coming out. Love those ferns. There's some water in here. And a couple splashes happened. I don't know if it was frogs. That was in this area. Don't know. Gray tree frogs. So high up. Won't see those guys. This looks kind of new. Looks like a big white pine. More of these trees. Yeah, they're not pines. Can't see the leaves on them. Unless they're all dead. Look at that orange. Rust. They're all in a row, so it must have been from some maybe farm property years ago. Not for sure though. That's weird that they grow like that. This is a big one. When COVID hit, that's when I started seeing a lot of these things being built.